everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Kush Lash Serum. That is definitely a tongue twister. So if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's go ahead and get started. So I got this during the Sephora VIB sale. I think the original price of this was around $65 Canadian. I did get this for $43. I don't know why it was on sale. I don't know if they're discontinuing it or not. But yeah, this is the Kush Lash and Brow Serum by Milk. And the reason why I decided to try this out is because my lash extensions are coming off. I have no way to go to get them taken off. As you guys know, the struggle with the coronavirus right now and having salons not being open. So it's just been a struggle. And I am embracing my natural lashes again, which is awesome. But they are not the same length as they were back when I first started getting lash extensions. I've had my lash extensions for almost 2 years. It was 1 year and 11 months. I didn't take a break. I just would get them redone every 3 weeks. And I don't know if you guys can tell right now in this video because I feel like eyeliner just is one of those things that hides everything. So if your lashes don't look good, if you have no lashes, eyeliner is just one of those things that just makes your eyes look bomb no matter what. I was just looking for a good product that I could use to just re-strengthen my lashes, and I don't know if I'm going to be getting lash extensions again this year. I might get them for my birthday because I did really enjoy having them. That's why I had them for 2 years, you know. But I think like seeing my natural lashes at first was just like a shock. I was like, why are they so short? So when I'm filming this video, I have been using this for a week and a half already. My lashes on this side started falling off from the middle first and then the corners. When the middle ones were coming off, I could see my natural lashes come through and they were just so short. So in the week and a half that I have been using this, I can definitely see a difference. I feel like my lashes have grown to like the halfway point. So these are not how long they were before I had extensions. My lashes were about, this is probably about half of my normal length of lashes. So this on the back of the packaging claims that you will see results in 12 weeks, like within the 12-week mark. But like I said, it's been a week and a half already and I definitely already see them grow. So I do use this product on my top lash line as well as my bottom lash line. And you basically just apply it like you would apply an eyeliner. It's basically just like a clear eyeliner, and I do wear this right before I go to sleep. It is 94% natural. It does have hemp-derived cannabis seed extract, which conditions to strengthen hair for healthier looking lashes and brows. It also does have a plant powder peptide, which improves the thickness of your brows and lashes. It also has aloe, vitamin B5, and quinoa. It says you will start to see results in 4 weeks and full payoff in 12 weeks. So like I said, I've already seen results. I have not used this on my brows because my brows are just, they're already thick. They already like need to be threaded really bad. On my lashes, this has been really great. It's definitely conditioned. I can see the difference in its growth so far. And I was recommended a few lash serums that were around the $150 to $200 price range that I was just not wanting to shell out that type of money. So I decided to try this one first and see if it works and see if I like it. So far so good, and I like that it's natural. I don't know what's in those $200 lash serums that make it so amazing, but I like that this one is natural and it does have cannabis in it, so that's awesome. so I started filming my review for this product a couple months ago, but I wanted to kind of test it out for a bit until I gave you guys my final opinion, because I think when I first made the intro to this video, I had only been using this product for a couple weeks, and I feel like my opinion has changed since then, and I want to tell you guys what I think about this product and if it's worth it and all of that stuff. So I've been using this since May. It is now the end of July. It's literally July 31st, the end of July. So I've been using this for a good, let's say, like, I started in the beginning-ish part of May, about 3 months. Let's go with 3 months. And basically when the whole quarantine happened, I stopped getting lash extensions and I started just living with my natural lashes. I didn't get them removed professionally or anything because obviously all the salons were closed, so I kind of had to deal with them falling out on their own, and it took a while for them all to come out. But at the end of it all, my lashes were left really sparse. They were not as long as they were before. I would say that they were like half their normal length, which was kind of scary and kind of made me not want to ever get lash extensions again once I fixed my lashes. But honestly, I definitely would get lash extensions again now that I know kind of how the process goes as far as growing back my natural lashes. And I feel like there's other products out there that are going to do a better job than this and that are going to be a lot faster at growing out your lashes. I don't know if I mentioned this in the beginning part of the video because, like I said, I filmed the intro to this video like 2 months ago or 3 months ago. In the beginning, when I first started using this product, I felt like my lashes or like my eyes were kind of burning a little bit after like getting this really close to my eyes, because like I said, I barely had lashes left. They were just so short, and I don't know if I have a video of before I started using this product. I think I do. I think it's when I did the Fruit Loops donut taste test with my mom. You guys can see in the thumbnail, I literally have half lashes. That's how my lashes started off with. Now I feel like they're about 85% normal, like to before getting lash extensions. They're not as long as they once were, but they're not, obviously they're not like half lashes anymore. They've grown pretty well. This product, I will say, it does help, as in like it nourishes your lashes. I feel like they're a lot healthier, a lot thicker. So I definitely noticed the difference with my lower lashes with this product. And I can definitely tell that my lashes have grown because, like I said, they were like half lashes, and now my lower lashes are still longer, but I feel like it's closer to what they were before getting lash extensions. So if I ever decide to get lash extensions again, I don't think that I would purchase this product afterwards. Like, it's a nice product as in it keeps your lashes healthy, but it's not something that's gonna make them grow any faster. It's not something like Rapid Lash. I feel like I wanna try Rapid Lash next time because it is a little bit more. Like this I paid $37 for during the VIB sale. The Rapid Lash is like $70, but there is higher end lash serums out there that are in the $200 price range. Those are not for me personally, but I would definitely try something like Rapid Lash in the future to see how it works. I don't know when I'm going to be going back to getting lash extensions. I'm kind of just hoping and waiting for this pandemic to end because I don't want things to suddenly shut down again and then I'm stuck with like 1 or 2 lashes on one eye. So yeah, that is my review on the Milk Kush Lash and Brow Serum. I have not tried this on my brows, by the way, so I don't have an opinion on that. I just specifically bought this product as something that would help my lashes grow back to what they were before. So I'm going to continue to use this. I have about 1/4 of the product left, so once I do finish this, I might even just get back to getting lash extensions again. So yeah, that is pretty much it for my review on this product. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye everyone.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.